Before we start the video, just wanted to let you guys know that we have just reached 300 subscribers on this YouTube channel. So thank you guys so much for this humongous support of this channel as well as my content, and this wouldn't be possible if it wasn't for you guys as well as to the people who, although unsubscribed, but have also have some point watched my videos. So let's get back to the video. Let's go. This is guys, here, welcome to another new video on this YouTube channel. So as you probably saw on the title of this video already, that today we're actually going to be doing an unboxing and first impressions video for my newest purchase, the New Balance 327 in its newest colorway, Cobalt Blue. So I don't think you guys really want to hear me talk too much about non-relevant stuff, so let's get into the main part of the video. 'That was the unboxing part of the video. Now let's get to the first impressions as well as a basic description and features for this shoe. But I've got to say first that if you're expecting me to give a full in-depth review of this shoe, then please click away from the video because I have even yet to try the shoe, so therefore I can't really give my own personal opinions on the comfort or etc. of the shoes. So if you're thinking that I'm going to give a full in-depth review, then please click away from the video. But apart from that, now let's get into the first impressions as well as the basic descriptions and features for this video. Let's go. So this colorway of the shoe was released onto the market on February 1st, 2021, and in my knowledge, I don't think there's many or even any shoe that's newer than this colorway that's been released onto the product line or into the product line for the New Balance 327. The upper does contain a nylon mesh, with the nylon mesh upper having a sort of gradient color from heel to toe, moving from right to left, with the heel containing the blue and slowly having a gradient effect and getting a lighter blue at the forefoot. The shoe also does contain the brand product motto, the intelligent choice at the inner parts of the tongue, and it also does have a really simple insole, a really plain and simple insole that has a black at the background and a blue New Balance logo. Also having a white midsole, and at last contains the unique black outsole connecting towards that connects towards the heel and throughout the whole shoe, and therefore that gives the name of what I give it called the Lego shoe. And obviously the unique oversized N New Balance logo in the middle of the shoe, which does create the more unique and retro look for the shoe. And finally, my first impressions for this shoe is that I think the shoe really stood out from all the rest of the colorways. That this shoe had a really rare seeing type of colorway that had the gradient effect, because if you probably see from a lot of the New Balance 327 other colorways and models, you won't really get to see a gradient colorway that has been manufactured and produced or even released by New Balance. So it is quite a rare sight to see a gradient colorway instead of just having an even more retro look to the shoe. I think it really stood out as the gradient blue colorway that has been differentiated from the rest. So that is it for the unboxing and first impressions video for my newest purchase, the New Balance 327 in its newest released colorway, the Cobalt Blue. And let me know in the comments if you guys are planning to purchase the shoe, or even you already purchased the shoe. So yeah, it would be highly appreciated if you let me know that. That's all for me today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to click the like button, subscribe, comment, and share this video out to every single person you know. And as well as click the notification button right next to the subscribe button to be the first people to know when I upload any new video. So yeah, that's all for me today, and peace.